Whew! We are getting there, guys. We almost got all the stuff unloaded into storage. We've been at it for about 3.5 hours. What's up, squad? It is August 19th. We are headed to the storage unit to meet up with a U-Packet to unload our trailer this morning. It's going to be an eventful day. Got a lot of stuff to do today. I got to go back to the post office and get my P.O. box too once I get my billing information and all this other crap. But I'll see you guys out there. In the morning right now. Of course, the Old Dominion truck said that they would be here between 6 and 9. Of course, they're going to be here at 9. So anyways, but we're here at the storage unit waiting on them. I see a truck up there. I think it's them. Not really completely sure. It looks like they're unloading some stuff at another place down the street. But either way, they're on their way. They should be here any minute. And let's unload this stuff as fast as we can. Getting there, guys. We almost got all the stuff unloaded into storage. We've been at it for about 3.5 hours. We're both dripping in sweat. 110 degrees in Vegas right now. I got my water down there. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. But ain't no joke. Vegas heat definitely isn't no joke. A few more loads, the beds, and we're done unloading this. We're gonna have to take more showers because I'm dripping in sweat. Shirt's all soaked. I'm glad I wore a crappy old shirt, even as one of my original Cheyenne Famous clothing shirts. Man, we're gonna get into something cool tonight. You guys will follow the journey. Thank you guys for watching. Got it done. We got the storage all, or the stuff put all in storage. Mom, how do you feel?
Like crap.
Mom said she don't feel good at all. It's really hot. You see our faces are like beet red. We're sweating. Man, took us about 4 hours to get it done. Now we're gonna go head to the gas station, grab something to drink. to the room. We're gonna clean up. I'm gonna edit some of this video for the vlog from yesterday, and yeah, we're gonna find something else to do. I think we might go eat at this pizza place or LA Subs, one of the two. And then I gotta meet with the new job, the lead worker, our boss over there, and then the president over there. So that'll be cool. 9 a.m. tomorrow. Only other thing I have to do is get my post office box. I got a bill this time, so I should be able to get a P.O. box tomorrow sometime. But it's going pretty good. The move was moving all that stuff into the storage unit was a nightmare, kind of. It was hot. It was crazy. So, but we got that done. Thank you all for watching the videos. I appreciate all the new subscribers. You guys are amazing. My journey is going to be completely epic, and you guys are following with me. We do plan on doing other things, and I'm going to start working next week, so that'd be a good thing too for me. And Mom will be getting a job here soon. Hopefully we get a call to close on the house. Still waiting on that, but thank you for watching. We are headed down to Luxor again. We had the best luck over there. We're going to grab something to eat, probably at LA Subs, but if we win a bunch of money, we're just going to go eat at that Italian restaurant. So we'll see. If anything, we're going to eat LA Subs. We're going to grab the coupon, and we are going to use that. But I'm exporting the new vlog, so I actually hit the stop render button. I don't know what the heck I was doing when I was trying to slide the mouse over, and it stopped it. So I got to redo it. It's an hour 15 minutes. I got to add a few parts to it at the beginning, and the new vlog will be out by the time you see this video. We're going to head downstairs, find something to eat. I am sipping on, what am I sipping on? First time I've ever tried these black cherry Bud Light seltzers. There were 2 for $5 at the gas station, so I grabbed 2 of these. I'll let you guys know how it is. Headed back to the Luxor. I tried like 30 bucks in freaking Zodiac Lion at Excalibur. We have had no luck at Excalibur. So we're gonna go back to Luxor, where we usually do pretty good, and then we'll grab some food afterwards.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're what I need.
Mom and I made a decision. We are going to eat at Public House tonight. We will do a review video for Sin City Food Reviews. Yeah, we haven't done a review video in a while on Sin City Food Reviews, so Public House it is. I don't know if you guys can see Public House over there. $10 win on blackjack. That's a $50 profit over here at Luxor. Now we're gonna go into Public House and eat some good ass food.
Just got out of Public House. What'd you think, Mom?
Not good it's not going to be a very good review.
No, the service was terrible.
Yeah.
The food was alright, but the service was trash.
Courtney
was the manager.
Assistant manager is a very good.
She's amazing.
She's amazing.
She actually took some off the bill and gave me a beer. So big shout out to Courtney at Public House. If you do end up going to Public House, which the food was mediocre. It wasn't like no crazy experience. The food was mediocre for the price. But if you do go there, give her a shout out. Tell her JT sent you, and she will hook you up. She's awesome. So, but yeah, we're gonna play one more slot, and then I gotta go back and edit the video, and let's see if we can win a little bit of cash. Me and Mom ended up putting some money back. So we still won 10 bucks at Luxor, which is a $110 profit for 2 times we went to Luxor. But man, we couldn't hit nothing after we ate dinner.
Right? Nothing.
Should have stayed on Lightning Link. Lightning Link was good.
Probably because our service at Publix was a good.
Public House. Publix?
Public House.
The grocery store. There's a grocery store in Florida called Publix. And Mom was thinking about it. She got her Florida mask on. Big shout out to my aunt.
Big shout out
giving us the free mask, whatever. And yeah, so we're heading back to the room. I'm gonna go edit the vlog, and that's gonna be the end of it, guys. I appreciate you all joining in. Subscribe if you're new. We're still doing daily vlogs, 30 days in Vegas, and hopefully our other channel, Sin City Food Reviews. If you're not subscribed to that one, check that channel out. But I don't know if it's a walk of shame because we're still up $10, but head back to the room. We'll see you in there.